Now I would like to talk about the perceptron. The dataset that I use is Iris dataset. This is the function that we need to use. Then this is the library that we need to import for the coding below. First, I plot the scatter plot first. I import the data and define the x and y. Then I label which row until which row is what class attribute, and I label the x and y axis, and then I plot the graph. Then go to the training phase. I get the dataset by read the CSV file by using the pandas. Then I define the S is the 4 input. There is the 4 input of the dataset, and Y is the target. Then I standardize the data. The data will split into test set and the trend set. The test size is 0.33. There is 1/3 of the samples will use to test the data. The test sample will be 33 samples, and the trend data will be 67 samples. Then I standardize the data and fit transform it. Then I train the data using the X trend and the Y trend. The learning rate is 0.001 and the epoch is 10. Then I plot the graph of the number of inaccurate classified sample vs epoch. Then go to the testing phase. For the testing phase, the first thing that I do is comparing the actual and the predict target for test set accuracy. Then the accuracy for the test set will calculate by import the accuracy score. For the input and for the output, this is the scatter plot of Iris dataset. For the training phase, for epoch 1, the number of misclassified is 1. That means that 66 samples are correctly classified. For start from the epoch 2, there is no samples misclassified. Then this is the This is the graph of the misclassified samples vs epoch. From here we can see that the misclassified sample is 1 when at epoch 1, and it decreased to the epoch 2 because there is no sample misclassified at the epoch 2, and start from the epoch 2, the misclassified sample is 0, so it just maintains as the straight line. Then for the testing phase, I compare the actual and the predicted target for test set accuracy. This is the comparison. Then the total of accuracy classified sample for the test set is 33 out of 33. That's 100% correctly. Now I would like to talk the other line. The dataset that I use is Iris dataset. This is the function that we need to use. Then similarly, this is the library that we need to import. First we go to the training phase. Same with the perceptron. I read the CSV file using pandas. I define the X and Y and standardize the data and split the data into trend and the test set. Then the test size is 0.33. there is 33 samples used to test. I standardize the data and transform them. Then at the training phase, I will calculate the mean square error on the trained data. The learning rate is 0.001 and the number of iteration is 50. Then I use the trained set data to calculate my trained phase. Then go to the testing phase. Before go to the testing phase, I will plot the graph of the number of training epoch vs the mean square error on the training set. Then go to the testing phase. I also comparing the actual and the predict target for the test set accuracy. The accuracy for the test set will be calculated using the by import the accuracy score. Then I will calculate the mean square error on the test data. This is the mean square error on the training data. Then this is the graph of the number of training epoch vs the mean square error on training set. We can see that the data is the graph is decreasing. Then go to the testing phase. I compare the actual and the predict. Then the accuracy for the IRIS data set also 100% correct. Then this is the MSE on the test sets. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.